Please watch the video till last. Like and subscribe. So, good evening students. Welcome back. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Follow this at home. Wash your hands properly and maintain social distancing. Welcome to the Vedic Maths class. As students, today this video is a revision video. In this, we will revise our topic multiplication by 11, 12 and 13. Students, as you know that this is your revision video. In this video, I will again make you revise multiplication by 11, then 12 and 13. First of all, we are taking multiplication by 11. I will do two sums for you to make you understand. Now let's start. For multiplication of 11, as I've told you earlier, first of all, you have to take the first digit at the first place. 3. You can see it very clearly. I will use the dark one. See, 3 will be in the first place. Now you have to add the two digits. 3 plus 2. Now what is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is 5. Now you have to add the next two. 2 plus 4. Now 2 plus 4 is 6. And then the last digit to the last place. And this is your answer. Again I am repeating students, the first digit in the first place, then you have to add both the digits, 3 plus 2 5, then you have to add the next two digits, 2 plus 4 6, and then the last digit in the last place. Students, I am seeing that you are doing your sums by making these arrows. Students, I am making these arrows to make you understand. Like the students, those who have not seen my previous videos and they are not able to understand this method, for them I am using these arrows. Students, whenever you will do your sums, 3-4 sums you can do like this by making arrows and by writing all these above. But after 3-4 sums, you have to do your questions orally. Orally means you just have to do all these calculations in your mind and you just have to write the answer directly. Now we will take our next sum. As you already know, 8 will come here like this. Now, as you know, we have to add our two digits, 8 and 7. Now add 8 and 7. Now what is 8 and 7? 8 and 7 is 15. Now you have to write 5 and 1 will go carry to the left hand side. You always have to write the carry to the left hand side. Now add the next two digits, 7 and 6. Now what is 7 and 6? 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 you will write here and 1 will go carry to the left hand side. See, 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 here, 1 carry. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 here, 1 carry. And then 6 in the last place. So now what is the answer? See, 8 plus 1, 9, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 as it is and 6 as it is. You have to add this. Students, I hope you are getting it. If you want this explanation more thoroughly, you can see my previous videos. Hence, now it is multiplication by 12 and 13. The first sum is of multiplication by 12 and the second one is of multiplication by 13. So let's start. As I have told you earlier, how you have to multiply a number by 12 and by 13. So let's start. A quick revision. Students, again I am telling, don't use the rough work. Just try to do the sums orally, and you are well known with the Vedic maths benefits. If you will try to do your sums orally, it will improve your mathematical skills. Your calculations will become fast. Many benefits are there of this tricks and Vedic maths. So we will start. Now first of all, what you have to do, the first thing which you have to do is you have to apply one 0 in front of your number. Here also 0 in front of your number. So let's start one by one we will do. First of all, multiply 8 with 2. 8 2s are 16. 6 here, 1 will go carry. Now again multiply 4 with 2. 4 2s are 8. Now what you have to do? As I've told you, you have to add the right hand side number and the carry. Now we have taken 4. The right hand side number is 8. So add 8 and the carry is 1. So what it is? 17. Right, 7 here and 1 will go carry. Students, I hope you are getting this method. Not again 2 multiply by 2. Then 2 2s are 4. Now what you have to do? You have to add the right hand side number. So 2 right hand side number is 4 and 1 is carry. So your answer is 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 here. Now you can see no carry is there. So nothing will be there. So 0 multiply by 2 now. 0 2s are 0 plus right hand side number 2. Is there something above 0? No. So nothing is carry. So 0 plus 2 is 2. So here 2 and this is your answer. 2976. Students, this is all simple multiplication. See, I have multiplied the number with 2 and addition. So you can do this simple multiplication addition in your mind without any rough work. So now we will take our next example. 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 will go here. Now next 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12 plus the right hand side number which is 2. Answer is 14. Then 14, 4 will go here, 1 will go carry to the next number. Now next 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15 plus the right hand side number which is 4 and the carry which is 1. Now 15 plus 4 is 19 and 19 plus 1 20. Now 20, 0 will go here and 2 will go carry. Now the last 0 multiply by 3. 0 3s are 0 plus the right hand side number which is 5 and the carry which is 2. So the answer is 5 plus 2, 7. This is your answer. Students, multiplication by 12 and 13 is same. You just have to multiply in this by 2 and in this by 3 because it is a multiplication by 12, so you have to multiply the number by 2. And this is a multiplication by 13, so you have to multiply your number by 3. That's it. I hope students you are getting this method, and if you want it more thoroughly these methods, so you can see my previous videos because it is just a revision video. Some sums I have done in front of you so that it will make you revise the method which I have explained before. And with this video I have given you a mixed bag PDF in which there are sums of 11, 12 and 13. It is mixed sums. So try to do them with this method and please don't use the arrows and the rough work. Try to do it orally. Students, I hope that you are practicing my given sums at home, as the more you practice, the better the result. Thank you.